Self-care is so important but so underrated, and even though you are a stay-at-home mom, a 9 to 5 mom, a work from home mom, or just a human being, we all need self-care. And in today's video, I will share my self-maintenance routine that helps me recharge and replenish, because at the end of the day, we can't pour from an empty cup. So I hope you guys enjoy. So this is going to be me just showing you guys different ways I love to, just take care of myself, replenish, recharge. And of course, after a long day, guys, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you're a 9 to 5 mom, you guys know at the end of the day, all you just want to do is to kind of wind down and relax. And of course, the first thing I love to go ahead and do is to get myself a cup of juice. You can take water, you can take juice, but especially days where probably I had errands, I had meetings, I come in, I just get myself a cup of cold water or cold juice. Of course, you guys know we are in summer, so getting some ice inside your cup is, of course, something very, very important because the weather is so hot. And another thing also that I love to do is to go ahead and relax, watch a movie, read a book. Guys, I'm a movie lover, guys, like Netflix. Thank God for Netflix, because you can go there and you have a lot of movies to watch. You have something to just lighten up your mood, especially if you had a very busy, terrible, or you just had a very busy day, and just taking that time to calm down, taking that time to watch a movie, do something fun, it's very, very important. And also, whether you have kids, guys, like in my home I have 3 kids, and my kids know when mommy needs a rest. They know, it's like we have a routine. It's not like we have a routine, so I can do like my self-care, I can take care of myself, I can do some routine for myself while the kids are minding their business in their rooms, maybe in their playroom. It's very, very important, because like I said, at the end of the day, you can't pour from an empty cup. And no matter, guys, no matter how poor I am, I'm just so in love with fresh flowers. And fresh flowers actually has a way of making me feel so happy. It makes me, it just adds that color and that life, to my day. So once in a while, I love to fetch myself some fresh flowers. And of course, sometimes if you go to Trader Joe's, they have like really, really affordable fresh flowers. I mean, from $3.99 for a bunch of 12 piece, or 24 piece. Like Trader Joe's, they always have some really nice fresh flowers at a very, very affordable cost. So I just go ahead and get myself some fresh flowers, because I just love having fresh flowers, guys. I absolutely love it.
A big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up.
Shower time is actually my favorite time when it comes to self-care, when it comes to self-love, because that is like a time you just have for yourself. If you're single, if you don't have a partner, that is like the time you just have that quiet moment. You have water just pouring down on you. For me personally, guys, during shower is actually when I get a lot of inspiration. I don't know what it is, but it's like when I'm having my shower, that is like the time my brain takes to relax, and I just reflect on my day. I get a lot of ideas. My shower time is like my favorite self-care time. So of course, today I had on makeup, so I love to quickly go ahead and just take off my makeup, and then head into the shower. And when it comes to shower, guys, I absolutely I'm a lover of hot water. I love, 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 love hot water. Even during summer, you guys know during summer it's hot, and a lot of people don't usually gravitate towards hot water. But I just love the feel of hot water on my skin. It helps me relax. I don't know. I get kind of shocked, whenever I'm using cold water. But you see, hot water, that's my favorite type of water. I mean, lukewarm, not so good, but hot, that is me. So I just take also a time to during my shower time, to reflect, to think, to just calm down. Water, like I said, has a way of just calming down your nerves, whether you like it cold, whether you like it hot. It just helps. And just whenever you feel stressed, try and just have some shower, guys, whether cold, whether hot. You will notice that it will just help relax you. It will help kind of loosen up the tension on you. And after shower, guys, I just go ahead and quickly just do my skincare. Sometimes I do my skincare inside the shower, while other days I just like to do my skincare on the vanity, so that's definitely what I'm gonna do here. And also, of course, after shower, I love to just go ahead and use my squeegee to make sure I get out all the water from the glass to avoid those water streaks on my glass.
Can't believe me, I guess I take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't.
Nothing says relaxed self-care time like a diffuser, and I absolutely just love putting it on and relaxing. And this one is from Inoge. They offer very high quality, easy to use and affordable diffusers. When it comes to creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere, guys, I love putting on my diffuser and some essential oil, and I absolutely love the elegance and style this particular diffuser adds to our room. So basically, when you go ahead and open it, like I said, it's super affordable. And this brand also sell on Amazon. You guys know how fast and easy Amazon makes their shipping. And yeah, basically, when you go ahead and open it up, you guys, I just love the fact that this particular one comes in the color black, and our bedroom has kind of touches of black, which blends, like the diffuser just blends with the decor and also the ambience of our bedroom. So basically, there's a line on the diffuser that lets you know where to level your water, and then I go ahead and put my essential oil. And another thing I absolutely love about diffusers is the fact that they can be used for aromatherapy, and I love to use some jasmine essential oil or some eucalyptus. They just has a way of making me really relaxed and calm. And of course, I'm gonna link this diffuser in my description box, so make sure you check that out. And as you guys can see, it also comes with different lights, which can also add to the ambience of your bedroom.
To what we want, to what we want.
Listen, guys, after a long day, all we want is to pamper ourselves. And I don't know if I'm the only one that experienced this, guys. As a big busted woman, I always have this kind of shoulder pain. And let me tell you guys, you see this massager, this massage machine, oh my gosh, ever since I started using this machine, guys, I used to have kind of a heaviness right on my shoulder, because you guys know, if you're a heavy breasted woman, your bra, especially when you've breastfed kids, guys, you want to wear bra that keeps your babies, keeps your boobs uplifted. So because of that, I always kind of have issues with my shoulder. And Ever since I started using this massage machine, it's been amazing. So at the end of the day, I just relax and just go in with this massage machine. Sometimes I love to ask my kids to help me, massage my back or hobby, and it does an amazing job. And of course, since we're talking about relaxation, since we're talking about self-care, self-love, of course, you can never go wrong with getting some pedis, some money. This is actually another time that I absolutely love a pedicurist. I don't even know what they call them, but yeah, I just relax and allow her to, help me like kind of massage my feet, fix my nail polish, do some things to my feet, my foot and everything. Like, you guys, getting some pedi is also another way I absolutely love to take care of myself. I absolutely love to relax. And another thing is our hair. We are women, guys, and you guys know, like, as a woman, you want to make sure that your hair is always on point, even if you don't have the money to make it, but always make sure it's clean. Wash it, make sure it's clean, make sure it doesn't have any odor. And yeah, I love, like, I'm obsessed with braiding, guys. I think I braid probably 10 times in a year. I absolutely love my braiding time, and thankfully my hair was due for taking down, so I took it down, and then I went ahead to go to the salon to wash it, to blow dry it and everything, and you guys can see it right there.
To sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always
Another self-maintenance routine that helps me replenish, that helps me recharge, is having some baths, guys. And of course, I always love to have something to read, something to drink, something to eat, just to be able to stay as long as I want in the tub. So basically, of course, I love my grapes, so I just like to fetch some grapes. I love my apples, and just bathing is actually another way of relaxing. Like I said, there is something about water. It's only God that knows like what he did to water, because water has a way of just relaxing people. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and put on some candle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my tub, put some soap, put some Epsom salt, just make it really nice. And of course, you guys, I'm going to make my, when it comes to my bathing water, I love to make it kind of lukewarm, not too hot, not too cold. But yeah, once I set that up, I love to go ahead and just go in there, relax, just forget all my worries. Basically, when I'm in the tub, guys, I basically just relax, just catch my breath. And yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope this video was able to help you guys, because like I said, at the end of the day, we can't pour from an empty cup. We need that self-care, especially if you're a mom. It's not just for moms, guys. Everyone, we all need our self-care time. We all need our self-love. We all need to recharge, to replenish. It's very important. Imagine a life where there is no like resetting or relaxing, like you're just going and going. You guys, we can't function like that. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.